Hello everyone. Today we're going to be installing this aluminum foot pedal, dead pedal assembly on our R33 GTR. Now, this isn't a Nismo part, but I found this online because I'm always searching for extra parts to put on the Skyline, and this popped up. And the one that we have on our car is just kind of black. It's just kind of the regular one, but we're gonna replace it with this. We're gonna show you how to do it. We're gonna show you the before and after. So let's get started. All right, so here's our old one. And I see a 10mm bolt. So I'm just gonna remove that and see what happens. And there's another one underneath here. So I removed two bolts using a 10mm socket. All right, so there's like a little indentation right in the center. And whoa, a bunch of dirt just shot out towards me. And there is the 10mm right there. And we have it out. So I decided that I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna drill out the part, which I did, that was blank here, but the other side kind of had an opening. I went and lined it up to the car and it fits. And since this looks a little bit better than the older one, I'm gonna use this one. And on top of that, I needed a longer bolt because of the way that this one was recessed right here. So I'm actually gonna add a titanium bolt that I had an extra one in there, which should look cool. And this setup should actually look really neat when I'm done with the two titanium bolts and the new pedal. This should look a lot better than it did before. Okay, so we vacuumed this area up and we're gonna go ahead and start to place our screws in their spots. And then I'm gonna get the one that goes in the center. And then I'm going to tighten these down. And then we're going to go ahead and put the insert in. And look at that, guys. That's done. And the pedals installed. It was a pretty easy install. I almost wonder if you could just buy that insert versus the whole entire assembly. But since I had it, I put it in there. And when I added those titanium bolts, I think it just added that extra touch down there. I think it looks really cool. Well, thank you for watching, guys. We appreciate it. Make sure to check out our other videos, and we'll talk to you later.